Mama wakwaba wofre me Adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel near notification bell no so for more news.
People, my name is Shasha M Square. If you're listening to me, share this and let Black Rasta get it. Yes, Black Rasta, you are a stupid man. Yes, you are a stupid man. You are a useless man. Yes, my name is Shasha M Square, and I'm telling you this. What did you say? You said you prayed that Nanado visit an early grave. You said you prayed that Nanado, doesn't finish his tenure of office. You are sick. Listen, you will rather visit your early grave. Yes, you will die before Nanado. I'm telling you this. Stupid man. What's all this? Huh? Is it because of something small that you've gotten from your paymasters? I don't blame you. Yes, I blame the media for employing such a useless man like you. Yes. Now when they open the floor for us, say debate. You are on the side of your paymaster. I'm on the side of, let's say, Nanado or Baumia. And see, I will disgrace you. I will disgrace you totally. What the fuck is that? What the TV so now? Cause some kwana de biya obese wonka. The same thing. This woman, what's the name? Belamundi. Interviewed, what's the name? Diana Samoa. And then she said that when you mention Muhammad's name, people are able to pinpoint what Muhammad did. But when you mention Nanado's name, they can't show you anything that Nanado has done. And I was like, Babella, who told you that? Who told you that when you mention Nanado's name, we can't get anything to say? And the people who are saying that when you mention Nanado's name, we cannot get anything to say or we cannot pinpoint anything Nanado has done, they are not NPP members. So what kind of journalism is this? I'm not here because of Belamundi. Let me tackle Black Rasta. Yes. I mean, Black Rasta and the madman, what's the difference? I just don't understand. May Nanado visit an early grave. May Nanado not finish his tenure of office. Are you sick? Huh? Is that how journalism has gotten to? Huh? Charlie, this useless man here, I don't know. I respected him at first. I never knew that he's such a foolish man. I'm the one saying it. I never knew that he's such a foolish man. Yes, you will keep on fooling, yeah? We will come after you. Whatever you say, we will come and reply you. And as I'm saying, when they give the floor to you and I, there is no way, you Black Rasta, you can overcome me. You, what do you know? Charlie, have verse.
To turn the one near many do baby a bent 20 and I say what told them about the go school. Cause any if when you are near the Bema and we am between charges, I was talk po, they are talk choco. Ya de becho neba be neba yesi nibi. Sa bani mom Ghana ni se oye papa chen dia enne enye talk ni edi tro. Yay. Enne yan tro talk so. And the school for ni bebre ye use board, whiteboard, ni ama teacher na maka and a pen. Education improvement. And ya find the teacher be kono na sebe teacher mo tuomu ni na ye dust. And ya chalk you watch na ebugu no motuom na emfifire fra. Na chalk you ebugu no motuom. All ba wa more powder. Onko du fie nko yi ni shirt. Ni motuom ni na ya powder chalk nko a. Chalk no po Muhammad to me amfa Ghana fo. Chalk keke. John Dramani Mahama couldn't provide it. Mu complaining ya no se mu kasa too much. Asemo kasa too much. Na wadani o dwanfunu sebe. Wadani o dwanfunu o. And the message to Wuja and Kwadami and Nuwa, and this equal 1 million in every school. And free education and come here then. Now what catch them say what matters in life is just a duania ubidi. Who did we are one sebe? Who did we are one yare? Who did we are one quadruma and ya quine son abe falcon a quine and yana uku and young quasia woon and where did this work? Mama Yamaya dreaming in your juma. Mama Yamaya dreaming in your juma who said John Mahama Yahuni pain. So won't Kai Mahama, maybe Kai Mahama. Papa na ye kana Montia said, Onye, Muntia.
Aye, Niabrofo friend, the model of democracy in Africa.
Muntiano. Muntia John Mahama, maybe Boni Yamamo. Obiantie John Dramani Mahama, say, who nimna onye.
Accra Kumasi Road, Kahun, Yabeno double road, dual carriageway from Accra to Kumasi. Nanya no kwa a free Accra Echo Takra, so dual carriageway, double road. Senebeya accidents near the idea ETS, na so abafom kakra. Enti enjumani bebre oha yeguso ye yebeye. Minim se nyame adom nyame bema ya to abano asomdwe mu ama Ghana akoso aye ni abrofo friend the model of democracy in Africa.
Papa ya moti nkan your friend John Dramani Mahama or say Accra to Kumasi dual carriage takra de so musumu benya dual carriage any Cape Coast said ye be ni pay ewu no to atwa me pa cho takra de to Accra ya any dual carriage and this for betumi a kire yen how many kilometers ja Mahama betna ban so as president odi de tuma onu tumi de to dual carriage no so he didn't touch it cause no niska. Mahama didn't touch that dual carriage. No, Bejina have promised no cause no niska. Munshani bio. I'll play it again. Now more person, more friend. You guys can start calling. Yanko.
Yeah. Accra Kumasi Road, Kahun, Yabeno double road, dual carriageway from Accra to Kumasi. Nanya no kwa a free Accra Echo Takra, so
I am Muntie commentary now. Wait, no. I am Muntie commentary now. Wait, no. Okay, you'll be say, hey. I am Muntie. Obi say, hey. Or say, hey. Or bad, hey. Do I think it's worth sharing? I saw it. I think it's worth sharing because this was the state Mahama left Ghana education, and today, with all the enormous work and the enormous investment that has been made, Ghana for say you here. It is sad. It is appalling. All right, Yanko. Now into we
can see we are twins, and without this intervention, I don't think my parents will be able to afford. As I speak now, my junior brother is also enjoying the free SHS at Kufuridia Technical, and I thank the president a lot for bringing this policy.
My name is Moro Halima from Kute. I wrote BEC 2016 and I had admission at KJB Asatu Senior High School, but due to financial problems, I couldn't afford. I couldn't get to school, so I stayed home 1 year till 2017, and God willing, we had our president Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, and today I'm in Fadadobi Memorial Technical School, a third-year student, offering fashion course. I want to become a fashion designer in future.
All right. Therefore, this is our education system. Okay, that John Dramani Mahama left. We school 2016, but when to me and go school because we need car we debate here.